that surrounds me. If we hold ourselves together, we'll go far.
Hey guys, Yoduvh Essentials here. Today's video is a requested one, and I was asked to see how I can create an inbuilt wardrobe with limited space. So for today's video, I'm going to be using this corner in my craft room to build a wardrobe. And I'll be using mirrors that I got from Walmart as the doors. I'm also going to be using pegboards for this DIY as well. And wood that's going to be at the back of the pegboards. I'll be building this wardrobe on top of the skirting or base molding. I've put up 2 pieces and I'll be putting 2 more. I cut a 2x4 pegboard into 2 and it's not going to be wide enough, but I'm going to use it anyway because I didn't want to use too much for this project. If you're new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. The switch does not work, so that's going to be covered. The next thing I'll do is attach the hinges to the mirrors before attaching them to the boards. I'm going to be making shelves for this wardrobe using wood. And I'm going to measure it and use my handy circular saw to make the cuts. This is such a good tool to have at home for people who are into DIY, especially with lots of cuts from wood, but little cuts because this is a small machine that does not do heavy duty cutting. Just little cuttings will be good for this machine. And the link for this is going to be down in the description box below. After I was done, I painted them white. The next thing I'll do is put up the supports for the shelves. All the attachments that I have are going to be on the pegboard that has been attached to wood that is on the wall. So these are all going to be on the pegboard. The space at the top is a little bit more than the ones at the bottom because of the jewelry that will be hanged there. Now I'm going to go ahead and paint these wood pieces as well. This part here is easy. You just put the shelves on the wood. I got this pegboard accessories from Walmart, and they'll be used to hang little items in the wardrobe. I'll be covering up the corners with crown molding. And I've had this crown molding for a while, and I wanted using it for the entertainment center that I just uploaded some days ago. But I ended up not using it, so that's what I'm going to use for the corners. I'm going to use a little bit of white paint to hide the tack nails, and then clean up the mirrors before attaching decorative onlays that I got online, and the link for this is going to be down in the description box below. I spray painted them white, but I had an issue with the pattern because it's just one singular pattern, and this is what it's supposed to be, but it's going to have to be upside down for some of them. So I ended up figuring out a way to do it that it would still look good in the eye. We're almost done, and the next thing I'm going to be making will be the handles. And I'll be using Dollar Tree frames and gluing on the glass to the frame. Now you see this foam that comes with the frame. I'm going to cut a little bit of it and attach it to just one side of the frame. And that's going to compensate for the frame that's on the mirror. I'll be gluing crystal knobs that I got online in the middle. Like I said earlier, what I have down here is to compensate for the frame of the mirror that you can see here. I made two and glued them to the doors using a strong adhesive and a hot glue gun. I added some gems to the onlays, and because of that, I added gems also to the frames. This is such an awesome way to make use of the little corner that you have in your room. I just put little items here for display purposes. I actually have this in my craft room, so I am just responding to a request that someone made. So after I'm done with this video, I'm gonna turn mine into a storage cabinet, only because I don't really need clothes to be in my craft room. But I just hope this is a nice idea that the lady is gonna make use of. Because honestly, guys, I know that we have certain corners in our bedrooms that are just bare. So I mean, this is just gonna be like an extra wardrobe space. You can make this as large as you like, depending on the space that you have at the corner. I hope you all like this idea and enjoy this video as well. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up and share it with your friends and families. Thank you all so much for watching. I have other home decor DIY videos that are linked in the description box below to check them out, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button.